Let's be honest for a second. How many times have you opened your phone's data settings just to check how much you have left before the month resets? Or tried to get online at an airport, a hotel, a coffee shop somewhere new, and the Wi-Fi either doesn't work or it's so slow it's basically useless? And then there's the bill, the roaming charges, the just-in-case data plan you bought before a trip that you barely used, or the one you didn't buy and paid for anyway. If any of that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Staying connected outside your home, reliably, without overpaying, is still one of those everyday frustrations that hasn't really been solved for most people. That's the problem Ryoko Pro is built around. So what exactly is it? Ryoko Pro is a small, portable Wi-Fi device. Think of it like your own personal hotspot, but designed to travel with you, work in a lot more places, and connect a lot more than just your phone. Instead of relying only on your carrier's signal or hunting for public Wi-Fi you're not sure you can trust, Ryoko Pro gives you your own private internet connection, wherever you happen to be. Here's how it actually works, in practice. You turn the device on, it displays a QR code right on its screen, you take out your phone, or your laptop, or your tablet, scan that code, and you're connected. That's it. No typing in long passwords, no digging through settings menus, and if for some reason you'd rather do it manually, you can also enter the network information yourself. Now, what makes this useful isn't just the setup, it's what it can actually do once you're connected. According to the product's current listing, Ryoko Pro offers service availability in more than 75 countries. So whether you're traveling for work, going on vacation, or just living somewhere with unreliable home internet, there's a good chance it can connect where you are. I do want to be upfront here. Actual coverage and performance can depend on your specific location and local network availability, so it's worth checking the current coverage details before you rely on it for a trip. It also supports up to 10 devices connected at the same time. That means your phone, your laptop, a tablet, maybe a device for a travel companion, all sharing the same connection at once. In terms of speed, the device is advertised with speeds of up to 150 megabits per second. Again, that's the advertised top speed. Real-world speed will vary depending on your location and network conditions, the same way it would with any wireless connection. One thing a lot of people appreciate is that there's no traditional long-term contract involved, and according to the current offer, there are no roaming charges to worry about, which is honestly one of the more frustrating parts of traveling internationally with a normal phone plan. Battery life is rated at approximately 8 hours of use, and it charges through a standard USB-C cable. So you're not stuck carrying around a special charger just for this one device. It also comes with a prepaid SIM card built in, a built-in ad blocker, and the whole setup, as I mentioned, is just scan the QR code and go. Now, who is this actually useful for? If you travel frequently, for work, or for personal trips, this solves a very specific pain point: not having to rely on hotel Wi-Fi or buy a local SIM card every time you land somewhere new. If you work remotely or need a reliable connection while you're out of the house, whether that's a coffee shop, a co-working space, or just somewhere with bad home internet, having your own portable connection means you're not depending on someone else's network. If you spend a lot of time on the road, or you like camping, road trips, or spending time outdoors, this gives you a way to stay connected without needing to find a signal or public Wi-Fi wherever you stop. And if you're someone who just has multiple devices that all need internet at the same time, this can simplify that instead of juggling separate data plans for each one. Let's talk about the offer, because this is where it gets more interesting. As of right now, the device itself is being offered at 70% off its listed price, and the ongoing service is advertised at $14.99 a month for unlimited high-speed internet, according to the current listing. Now, I want to be straightforward with you. Pricing, discounts, and availability can change, sometimes without much notice. So rather than relying on what I just told you, the smart move is to check the official Ryoko Pro offer for yourself right now to confirm the current price, what's included, and whether it's actually available in the areas you'd be using it. If you've been frustrated with unreliable Wi-Fi, expensive data plans, or just wanting one simple way to stay connected wherever you go, it's worth taking 2 mm